when I was teaching a topic to my grade 7 children, that fast moving air, speed moving air is accommodated with low pressure. So to make them clear and make them understand the applications of this speed moving air, I tried to design this small vacuum cleaner. So which basically contains a small toy motor, what we call, you can see there is a small toy motor to which I have attached a fan, and I fixed it in a foam piece like this, where I made perforations like this. Now I may have taken one water bottle, the conical portion of the water bottle like this, and as a handle I have taken again a foam piece, and where I can fix it somewhat like this. So I can fix it into the foam piece like this. So this becomes a handle where this can move. So this is the basic setup of this, and this fan which I have installed in this, so you can have a close look of it. So fan is just installed on a foam piece, circular foam piece, which I will be installing, which I will be fixing into this like this. Once I fix it, it appears like this. From sideways, if you see, it appears like this, and from backwards it appears like this. So simple it is. So now this portion of this vacuum cleaner is called entry port, and this portion where the air exits is called exhaust port. So it is having an entry port and an exhaust port. So the fan which is installed, the fast moving, when it rotates fastly, it pushes the air at a greater speed through the exhaust port. When the fan rotates fastly, it pushes the air which is inside and creates a low pressure area here. This low pressure area which is created will create a suction, because of which it tries to pull air. So air which is at high pressure outside rushes into the vacuum here, which is created here. To make a balance, it rushes. While it is rushing, it carries different particles which are in its way. On its way, whatever is there, it carries. So let us see how it works. Let me power it. To power it, I will be using one generator which I have designed. So for powering it also, I am using one generator. Already a 1000 RPM motor is there. This I will be using to power this motor. So I am using crocodile clip connectors to power this vacuum cleaner. I am using crocodile clip connectors to connect our generator with vacuum cleaner, with the motor of the vacuum cleaner. So this is also a DC motor which we are connecting to this motor. So very simple, children. Anyone can design. In market you can get these motors. This motor will cost around 30 rupees. This motor will cost around 70 to 80 rupees. That's it. So it's a foam piece you can extract from any old slipper, or you can get it in the market even. So or else you can use some cardboard also in the place of foam. There is nothing like we have to use the same material. So right now I'll fix it, and let me show you how this works. Will it really work or not? Dropping few foam pieces here. Let me try whether it works or not. Let me try and dump it in this dustbin. So this I am now using as a dustbin. So I am keeping it here. Let me power it by using our own generator. So I am keeping it here. You can see, have a close look of it. So is it sucking? So see how nicely it is pulling everything from here. So I will evacuate these. So one more body is left. Let me evacuate this also. So what it is happening here is, when I am rotating this fan, when I am rotating this motor, this is producing electricity which is being supplied to the other motor which is connected to the vacuum cleaner, and which is powering the fan over there, and the fan is rotating, and the fan is pushing air with a greater speed from the exhaust port. When it is pushing air from this exhaust port which is behind, it is creating a low pressure here. inside the bottle, inside this area, it is creating low pressure. That low pressure is, which is created here, creates a suction, which will, because of which the high pressure air which is all around rushes into this cabin, rushes through this. When it is rushing, it carries what all that comes in its way, it carries that material also. So this is how this vacuum cleaner works. And this vacuum cleaner, what we have done is, we are not using any battery here, but directly a generator. So this is a simple generator through which we are powering our own vacuum cleaner. So try this. It is not very difficult to make. Try it and please comment. Thank you.